Nature has always been the source of life, healing, and balance. For centuries, Ayurveda has harnessed the power of nature to promote wellness, vitality, and harmony. At Pure Herbal Ayurved Clinic in Melbourne, we bring you the purest, most authentic Ayurvedic treatments, crafted with care and tradition. Our mission is simple: to help you achieve a healthier, more balanced life through the wisdom of Ayurveda. Why choose Pure Herbal Ayurved Clinic? Because we believe in individualized treatment programs tailored to your unique needs. We understand that no two bodies are the same, and neither are their health concerns. That's why we create personalized treatment plans designed just for you. Our compounded Ayurvedic medicines are based on your individual Ayurvedic body type and health needs. Through Nadi Pareeksha, or pulse diagnosis, we assess your doshas Vata, Pitta, and Kapha, and create a customized herbal formula to address your specific health concerns. This personalized approach ensures maximum effectiveness and long-lasting results. We employ a low-dosage approach to Ayurvedic medicine, ensuring better results with minimal side effects. By addressing the root cause of your health issues, we create a balanced treatment plan that works in harmony with your body. Your safety and well-being are our top priorities. We use only organic, naturally grown herbs sourced from trusted Australian suppliers. Every herb undergoes rigorous testing for heavy metals and toxins, ensuring the highest quality and purity. All our products are TGA listed, meeting Australia's strict regulatory standards. Enhance your healing journey with our personalized Ayurvedic herbal oils. Tailored to your dosha, these oils are specially blended for treatments like panchakarma, ensuring optimal nourishment and balance for your body. Join our community of satisfied clients who have experienced the transformative power of Pure Herbal Ayurved. Whether you're seeking relief from chronic conditions, detoxification, or simply a healthier lifestyle, we're here to guide you every step of the way. Take the first step towards a healthier, more balanced you. Visit us at www.pureherbalayurved.com.au or call 0430799515 and discover the magic of Ayurveda. Pure Herbal Ayurved Clinic, where nature meets wellness. Pure Herbal Ayurved, your path to natural wellness.